free life, free life, free life. No more chains, Central C, pop smoke. We free now, free life. Finally broke out the cage, yeah. No more running from the pain. Turn the page, sunshine on my face, different face. Free life, we elevate. From the blocks to the views, no more stress. Counting blessings, not the problems, that's progress. Lost some along the way, but the soul feel alive. Free life, living every day like it's flight. Rock boxed in, now the world's my horizon. West London scars, but the vision keep rising. Used to chase the bag heavy, now I chase peace. Therapy in the music, that's the real release. They wanted me trapped in the cycle, no way. Broke the mold, now I'm paving my own lane. Family straight, that's the only thing that matters. Free life, no more climbing up the ladders. Me ladder with the pain, but enjoy it louder. Girls wanna owe me, but I'm wiser now. Prouder, different chapter, ink still wet on the story. From the council to the villa, rewriting the glory. Breathe easy, no more looking over shoulder. Free life got me feeling like a soldier. Who won the war, now enjoying the spoils. Central C, elevating, no more toils. Free life.
What's up, chat?
Pop smoke, escape the jungle. Brooklyn nightmares turn to dream.
What's up, chat? Chat, I'm just testing a few things. Give me a moment, let me hide that. What's poppin', chat? We're dual streaming on X as well, chat, but I have no idea how that works, so it's a learning curve right now. Give me a moment. Let me turn off that music. Let me put on some radio. One moment, chat. I'll be right in the chat. I'll be right in the chat. Alright. Well, I don't know how the Twitter stream is working, but we'll just leave it for what it is right now. Let me get locked in. Let me read the chat. One moment. We should be good. We should be live. Alright, what's poppin'? Forts, Darkside, aka Nova, Operator Aldin, Hunter, Hackerheads, welcome back, man. It's been a while since I seen that cool profile picture. It stands out. Yeah, we're streaming on X right now. What's up, Aries? What's up, Kozak? W to you guys. Chat, we got a busy day today. We got to prepare the hackathon. We've got more challenges come up on the board. So give me a moment to test everything. Alright, I'm back, chat. I'm not even streaming 1 minute. Let me put some light on, chat. I'm doing pretty good, Aries. I'm doing pretty good. Getting ready for the weekend. Getting ready for that 12-hour session. I'm doing pretty good. Today's the first day we're co-streaming, dual streaming on X and on YouTube. So shout out to all the people on X. I wanted to add something else in chat. Give me a minute. What you up to, Aries? What you up to, man? Media file. Wait, I want to add in media. Give me a moment, chat. Damn, man, I gotta learn Streamlabs. I got Streamlabs Pro, chat, just because I'm a noob. So I got Streamlabs Pro. Let's see, I'm trying to add something for my socials. Where is it? Damn, man, didn't ChatGPT give that to me? That's weird. Working on Upwork. Nice, Aries. Have you been on Upwork already, or is it just starting it up? All right, chat. Let me go into the screen sharing. There we go, chat. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today it's gonna be a hackathon preparation day. I've got to do some work on the hackathon. First of all, let's open the daily spinny wheel, chat. Let's open the daily spinny wheel. You know the vibes, chat. All you gotta do, like, chat, get active, and at the end, if we reach the goal, we unlock the spinny wheel. Sumo Flex, if you're in the chat today, let me know. The moment you arrive, we'll send you over the subscription. We should be good on Claude subscriptions again. Alright, did you get your PC already, Aldin? Or did you get the Mac, or did you fix the slow one? So that's the spinny wheel. Chat, when it comes to participants, you'll see we've got 34 active participants, chat. And Hunter's obviously on the fence if he's still gonna code or not, because he might just be helping me with the stream. Sumo, let's go, man. Let's do Sumo first, chat. Let me do Sumo Flex first. Let's do Sumo Flex first. We've been promising the homie, and Claude was on our nuts. Congratulations on winning the spinny wheel thing. Thanks for your patience, and do something good with it. Thanks for the support on the streams. Alright, chat, let me just put his email in it off stream so I don't leak the fella's email. Let me check his email, chat, one moment. I know he confirmed it already with me on Instagram, chat. He's got a cool email, chat. Sumo, are you an Asian dude? I ask because I'm Asian. Let me get my Instagram and confirm he sent that. Let me get my Instagram, chat. Give me a minute. Go to Sumo Flex. The emoji that you got on Instagram is so cool, man. That's exactly how I picture you, homie. Alright, sending now. So I'll open Twitter here so I can post it. Check out. Pay now. It's loading. My security code. Payment. Chinese. Oh, nice, man. I'm Chinese too, my G. You speak Cantonese or Mandarin, Sumo? Approve the payment. Payment approved. Alright, let me take a screenshot. Let me hide out the name. You should have received it already, Sumo Flex. Let me know. Save it. Upload it. Thanks for your patience, Sumo Flex. I really appreciate it because... Yo, what's up, Def? Nice. 講中文啊，講少少啦 ，Sumo。啊？ You got Twitter? No, I don't know. It's all good. Yo, what's poppin', fuckers? I hope you're ready for the weekend, chat, because we got a full stacked house, 34 vibe codes from around the world, chat. Whoever's we got 4 viewers on X, chat. Whoever's viewing on X, what's poppin', Nick? Welcome to the stream, man. You know the vibes, man. Time to get to work. We've got 34 hackers already, 4 streamers, and Nick, I still need your submission, but once you get time, no rush, then I'll approve you, then you'll get on the board as well. Chat, we've got to set the room today. We got to set all the seating today for everybody. Yeah, I'm live on X, fuckers. Just since today, I'm doing dual streaming with Streamlabs Ultra, chat. Just trying to get it out there. Grow the stream, grow the community. You know the vibes, chat. Okay, let's start off. I also got a new request. Great stream yesterday, Nick. Great energy yesterday, man. Alright, chat. So let's get into what we have to do today. Give me a moment, chat. I'll make a little to-do list for myself. Yeah, I wanted to show the Fiverr. So chat, for those who don't know me, my name is Tommy. I've been running my own agency for the last 25 years. I've been active on Fiverr for the last 3 years. 500 orders done, chat. We recently jumped back to 5-star only. I've became a top rated seller in June, so last month actually, after 3 years. And we just got a new Fiverr request, so let me open that on stream and see if it's worth it. Well, I'll copy it and show you guys. This is basically the request, chat, for a WordPress website. I need a WordPress developer to complete a WordPress site that already has some work done. The existing partially complete. Well, I usually don't like work like that, but I'll send him a message. Hi, my name is Tommy with over 20 years of experience. Could you please send me the partially finished WordPress website? I can take a look from there and set up a quote and a plan. Thank you, Tommy. Alright, so I'll send that to the client. I'm not gonna make a demo or something for this because they've already got what they need. So we'll just let that run. Then one of the main things I want to do now is actually see if all the challenges are on the board. Let me actually copy the hackathon URL into the chat. Yeah, let's see how it looks and what they built so far, because I don't want to take on trash work. Okay, so let me just get... I want to get the agent working first. Let's do that first. So we're gonna get the agent working on Dollar Vibe Club. And right now I want to change this. Alright, I want to change some things around on the Dollar Vibe Club to prepare for the hackathon that we got going on this weekend. So basically, on the live hackathon page, when I click the application closed and I flip the switch, for now, I just want to show a screen that the application is closed for everyone, for the ones that have submitted already or new people that come to it. We will have the submission process on another page and we'll build that later on. So basically when I flip that switch, applications close and a nice visual comes on it with the countdown that starts from when the event starts. Does that make sense? Get it done. All right, chat. I'm low energy prompting today because I've got a lot on my mind to get ready, but we should be good. What's up, Johnny? Welcome to the stream, homie. Johnny, are you joining the hackathon, Johnny? You know the vibes. Hard head. Hacker, I'm gonna call you hacker, man. You know the vibes. Chat, I've also got to go to my Discord because I've got like 50 messages, if you see it here. So let me go over all the messages, chat, while the agent is working real quick. Alright, Johnny, sad to hear, man. You're a true supporter, so wish we could have had you here. Alright, just sending out some replies at work right now. Don't tell my boss. Chat, nobody tell Nick's boss, alright, chat? Leave Nick alone, don't tell his boss. Alright, Nick. Shout out to you, man. I'm excited to see it. I'm excited to see how you vibe code. I'm actually excited to see how all these people vibe code. No, Aldin, don't call the boss, man. Leave the homie alone, man. Don't be snitching. Snitches get stitches on the yard, Aldin. Snitches get stitches on the yard, man. Okay, so I gotta get... This is running. Let me just check my Discord for a moment. Damn, Aldin, you be fighting like that? You be coming into the real world like that, Aldin? Let me just check the stream health as well, chat. Alright, this streaming on Twitter is pretty cool, chat. I didn't know we could stream on Twitter like that. Yo, what's up, Hisham? Welcome to the stream. I think Hardhead is Hardhead. He's always had the green image. But he's an OG in the community, Hisham. And I know he's done some things in the past for the other community, so he's an OG. So I'm happy to have him here as well. It's an honor. The dumbass courier I sent my PC to deliver it heavily. Damn. Damn, Aldin. Damn, what did the customer say? Nice. Well, I said it already before. His profile stands out, Hisham. Hisham, you should get a profile, man. You should be motivated by that and get a nice profile picture, homie. Damn, Aldin. What you gonna do about that? Yo, Fax, what's poppin', man? Welcome to the stream, Fax. Fax, the board is filling up, man. The board is filling up. Shout out to Cassie, everybody. Cassie on the board. Good. Fax, very busy preparing for the Dollar Vibe Code Hackathon. Very busy, very excited. Let me just do what we need to do. Chat, don't forget, you can still join the hackathon. Let me put my Fiverr, is good. Alright, let me go to my Discord. I got called for a barman's side hustle on Friday and Saturday. 3 p.m. till 1 a.m. Ah, damn, facts. Well, that's sad facts, but I understand, like, real life. Harsh, what's poppin', man? He told he will report me. I told him to go ahead. I have nothing to hide. Damn, Aldin. Damn, Aldin, that sucks, man. And how much did he pay, Aldin? That's crazy, Aldin. I feel sorry for the guy. What broke? Just the screen. He can still use the computer or not. No, facts, you let me know, man. If you can make it, or if you're later or not later, you let me know. But right now, we'll just fine tune what we got, chat. We still got a few more applicants coming in, though. Okay, so once that's done, we will remove this one upstairs. This becomes a closed event. The prices are clear. Damn, man. Well, at least it is in a glass case and you can still use it, right? Chat, don't forget to claim your free Replit. I've already got the code. I'm gonna drop the code tomorrow. And then let me see for all the contestants on the board. So let's put Cassie on. Add, and we'll put Cassie on. And then I need to put on Trevor. Sorry, chat, I'm just adding on the students so that they, the vibe coders. Trevor. Ah, there it is. Trevor is Sunrise. I know who he is now. Oh no, that might be, wait. Here he is. Here he is. Alright, let me put Cassie in the streamer area. So Sunrise here. Cassie goes up here. We've got Turaya. Let me add Turaya. It's like setting up a real event, chat. Like you gotta go to the venue. Turaya gets the desk. It's like setting up a real event, chat, no cap. Let me lock in, chat. We got Quad, the man. We'll put Mr. Quad. I might put Mr. Quad. I'll put him in the collab hive. Alright, we got Ayush. Ayush Nova, you'll get a desk. What's popping, Andre? I see that profile picture popping. Glass case was on the other side. Right now, what's popping, Andre? We're getting ready for that big stream. Core Punch, what's up, chat? I built a presentation app with AI-friendly format, used it for sprint demo. And got... Well, Core Punch, drop it in the Discord, man. Let us know what you're doing. Are you a vibe coder? Are you a businessman? Who's copying your name? He copying my name. Aldin. Who's copying that name? Andre, hope you're good, man. Hope you're locked in, focused, getting your work done. We gotta add one more, chat. Nizam. Freaky Ninja. I love that name. Let's add Nathan to the board as well. Nathan is one of the homies of Nick, chat. He's got a good vibe. He's killing it on X and he's gonna start streaming. He's a young blood like my nephew. 19 years old. He up next, chat. Alright. We'll put Nathan up here with the streamers. So we've got the streamers. Where's Nathan? And Freaky Ninja, I'ma put you in the idea room. So you get to work with the homies on the idea bar. And you guys can really choose your plays if you want. You can ask me. No worries, man. He earned it and he's burning it. And when he gets back, I hope he tells us. A vibe coder, of course. Nice, Core Punch. How long you been vibe coding? And what's your go-to tech stack, Core? And definitely drop your project in the Discord, man. I want to see what you're building in the project showcase. Locked in and working on my brother. DVC gang will be the first to know. And we're doing some life-changing deals. Nice, Andre. That's exactly the way it should be, man. That's exactly what I'm doing here as well. Only I'm doing it on stream, chat. Nizam has been added. Yeah, that's Freaky Ninja. Alright. We got one more to add, chat. Hunter Vance. Oh, Hunter Vance is a great competitor, chat. Hunter's the guy that won $3,000 on Replit the first round. He built the high in 5, chat. A great concept. Hunter Vance is a great developer. Aldi. I think you're on it already, Aldi. Yeah. Alright, so we'll put Hunter Vance in I need more place, chat. Let's put him in the creator support area. Let's put Quad here as well. Quad might be offline sometime. And let's put Kizza there as well. Alright, we should be good on the map. The place is all ready. So you chat, you know it, man. Locking or clocking. Oh chat, I've been sipping that Red Bull already, man. Red Bull, shout out to you guys. Don't forget, chat, Red Bull, we need that collab deal. Don't forget, Nick is already repping you guys. So get us tapped in, Red Bull. I know you're sponsoring Vibe Coders, man. I know you're sponsoring events out there. So we'll follow up soon, Red Bull. We'll follow up soon. Yeah, it's going to be very exciting, Andre, because now I'm gonna prep all the screens so we get to see literally all the screens. So it's gonna be a fun one. But let's see. Okay, so let's give him the next to do. And basically the next to do. So here I need the broadcast wall to right now reflect at least 40 shared screens, so that everybody that's joining the hackathon will be able to share their screen. Can you get that going so that I see all 40 screens as an admin? Let's run that. Let me publish the first update to the Dollar Vibe Club. Give me a moment, chat. Alright, we got 5 viewers on Twitter, chat. Shout out to the Twitter homies. Twitter homies, we're streaming on YouTube daily, but we're just doing broadcast stream now to grow the community. We've also got videos and shit on the YouTube, so if you guys want to find out more X, let me know. Thanks, Hardhead. I appreciate it, man. We've come a long way. I think you remember version 1. We still got a long way to go. Yo, what's up, Nathan? Welcome to the stream, man. It was nice. I didn't get to put a face yet to the voice I heard yesterday, but it's nice to see you grinding out there with Nick, man. And I might have to have a sit down with you, like you said, 30 minutes. You talk to me about X and I'll talk to you about YouTube, or at least what I know, because I'm not a professional. I've only been doing this YouTube game for 115 days, chat. We're getting there slowly, chat. I've been in the business for over 25 years, chat. I'm probably double your age. I'm double your age, Nathan. You're 19, I believe, right? You like my nephew, man. My nephew out here grinding as well, chat. W's in the chat for Hunter. You guys know who I am, chat. I'm a top-rated seller on Fiverr. I teach how to sell vibe coding on Fiverr. My nephew just turned 18. He's basically selling on Fiverr right now. He's making more money than his teachers are. And he's streaming the entire journey as well, chat. Shout out to the young bloods. You know the vibes, man. I'll drop his link, chat. Go follow him. Let's help out the young bloods, chat. I believe I've got Nathan's channel as well. Yeah, man. Go support the young blood, man. He's he might be up and coming. He has to drop videos, chat. He has to drop some videos. So let's get him out there, man, chat. Go support the young blood. Get him motivated to get him to double digits, and then he'll drop his first video. Nice, Hisham. I see you got your profile picture going, homie. Yeah, I would love to learn, Nathan. I would love to learn. I'm just tapping into the Twitter game. I started streaming on my Twitter today. Hunter's my nephew. Yeah. Hunter's my blood. This is the reason I was doing the whole stream, chat. I said it to you guys 115 days ago. The main reason I'm streaming here is to teach my nephew and to guide him in what we're doing. What's poppin', Moist? Let me clap it up for Moist and Nathan, chat. Alright, so let me pull this update. We gotta get some work done as well, chat, because I'm building the room. Nathan, I put you on the board already in the streamer room. These are all people that stream online. And we'll get Nick in there as well. And all you gotta do is tap in and start vibe coding on Saturday. Curious to see what all of you are gonna build, because you're all gonna get the same challenge. So I'm very curious to see who comes with the best output, chat. Let's get the screens going. Man, sometime Replit doesn't pull in my Git commit. Can you also confirm that the previous task and this last task get pushed to the main commit so I can just pull and publish? I've also got the ideas already, chat, what you guys will be building. I've got the ideas already, chat. I won't leak anything, so I give all of the 34 contestants a fair chance. I won't leak anything. Alright. Let me publish it. And then once that's done, this should be changed. Alright. Let it load, chat. Let it load. Chat, a bit of a focus stream today just so that we can get the final tidbits done. And I might need you, Hunter or Aldin, to come in after and test if the desks work, just to confirm that the stream sharing works. If you guys are down to pop in. Hunter, you can't pop in because you're more of a judge with me. Let me open my Dollar Vibe Club here as well. Alright, so he should only be able to walk here. Alright. Alright, that's looking good. Let's see how busy it gets with people walking around. Alright, Hisham, you're already at your desk. Hisham, if you want, you can share your screen, share your camera, and share your microphone, Hisham. Nathan, yeah, I would say, because I was struggling with that in the beginning, Nathan, so my nephew built a radio station within Dollar Vibe Club. So you've got a vibe, you can use it now, it's all copyright free, it's all AI generated. And he's adding more and more tracks as we go. So feel free to use this on your stream. That's what I use on my stream to not get copyrighted at all. The DVC radio, all vibe coders can use it. And Hunter, by the way, if you get a moment, we need to update this with a few more streamers. Like Nick needs to get here, Nathan needs to get here when he starts streaming. Harsh needs to be put on. But I'll send you that after. But you can use, anybody can use the radio, man. Alright, Hisham, let me know if you're going to share your camera screen. Alright, he's already sharing his screen. That's Aldin. So we can basically open it here. And then we can track the entire process. Chat, it's going to be banger to see how people are coding, chat. It's going to be banger. Homie running on his Linux. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. Very excited. This is going to be great to work in. Alright. And we got Hisham sharing as well. Very nice. Start vibe coding, chat. I want to learn. Hisham, no NSFW, chat. No adult stuff. You know the vibes, man. Or I'll have to hunt you down. What's he saying? What's he Googling? How can you see me? I can see your screen at the bottom. When you scroll down on the map, everybody can see you. So every viewer can come here and they can just see what's going on. And we're going to add 40 screens so that we can see exactly what's going on. Yeah, great, Hisham, it's working. Nice, 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 nice. What's up, AIpreneur? I love that name. You know the vibes. Homie mixing words. Chat, AIpreneur live. You streaming, bro? You be streaming like that? Chat, I gotta do Fiverr as well because I got some chats and orders popping in. Give me a minute. Man, I hate that it's busy, chat. Shout out to Estonia, by the way, chat. I've never been to Estonia. Okay, stream is healthy, chat. Don't forget, whoever likes the stream and sends a message in the chat, you'll get added to the daily spinny wheel thingy. And then at the end of the stream, we spin it and we give away a Claude subscription, chat. Where you from? I'm born and raised in Belgium, homie. My mom was English, my dad Chinese, and now I'm living in Thailand. Yeah, once I go full screen, it's visible and clear quality, Aldin. You're good on that. Especially, I'll be broadcasting it from out here, so... Oh, I would love to see it, AIpreneur. Send it in the Discord project showcase, man. I would love to see apps, especially mobile apps in Play Stores, because I know how hard the process is to get an app in the Play Store. So I'm looking for G's that are tapped in. Well, AIpreneur, join the Discord. Drop it in the Discord. You know the vibes, man. We got to give and take. You feeling me? You can't just... ask. I don't think anybody's gonna go do effort to go and Google it. I think it's your first day here, so just tap in with the community, add value, and I'm sure people will support your app in the same way, man. Where you watching from, AIpreneur? Where you watching from, homie? Nathan, Nick, where are you guys watching from? I'm taking a very wild guess that Nick is watching from Canada, because he's always on that A vibe. He's on that A vibe, chat. Florida. Nice, nice, nice. Florida, that's nice. I heard Florida's a beautiful place, chat. I've only been to the US once and I was in Atlanta. But I gotta hit up all the states, chat. Okay, come on, add the screens so that we can fine-tune this room a bit more. I'm watching to you on India. Alright, AIpreneur. So I would say tap into the community, AIpreneur. Tell us about yourself. Talk with the community. And don't just come in and asking. And that's also a good business and life advice I'm giving you, AIpreneur. Never ask. Always give without expecting anything in return. And you'll see the return will be 10 times as big. Tommy, are we allowed to use external subs such as Claude? Yes, 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 yes. Hisham, my advice to you is get the Replit core account for free. Make sure you do the first prompt in Replit. Sync it with GitHub. Connect your Claude or Codex with GitHub. Work on your project in GitHub. Then just pull it back into Replit. And you're good, man. Trust me, Hisham. You need Replit as a good commercial powerhouse behind your project. But nice name, AIpreneur. Tap in, man. Chat, we got 8 viewers on X and we got 20 viewers on YouTube. So right now YouTube is winning. We should do a battle. YouTube versus X, chat. We should do that. I don't think the people on X are getting added here, chat. So if you're watching on X and you want to win the Claude plan, just come to YouTube and say hi, type vibe. Alright, let's get the office ready. We're almost there. And I want to get some branding in for our main partner, Replit, chat. I want to get some branding in the office. Actually, I'll do that now. Let's see if I can tap out that image. Save this. Go to OpenAI. Go here. Go to Google. Type in Replit logo. That shit transparent or what? Alright. And then actually let me take a screenshot of this. We want the logo. We want the logo here. And maybe in small here and here. One moment, chat. One moment. Alright. I would like you to keep my image map exactly as it is, but I would like you to add the logo that I've sent in attached of Replit on the 3 places I've marked. Bottom a bit bigger, and then in the top 2 times a small Replit logo. Keep my image composition exactly the same. Just make sure that these logos blend into the floor of that map. Okay, so that's good. Whoever's not joining the hackathon and wants to test if you can get to the desk, come to the room. Chat, the hackathon rooms are here. Right now, only the hackathon is open. We have the other event rooms for other events, but you know the vibes. Phase up, bro. Is that? Phase up, bro. Yo, bro, King here. Ah, King. Well, King, I like the name Phase. Welcome back, man. Are you gonna be streaming or what's the reason for the name change, man? But phase the fuck up, chat. Let's go to, let's send Banks a message. Let's say we want to join Phase, chat. I do want to join Phase, chat. Phase up. Now that's Phase Banks. Chat, has anybody got Phase Banks's? Did the homie just go Banks? Damn, man. He got that motion, chat. Let's get into Phase soon, chat. All right, FaZe. I'm gonna call you FaZe now, King, because that's what your name is. But feel free to test it now as a viewer. If you can come to the hackathon room, normally you shouldn't be able to walk around the entire map. So feel free to test that if you're not gonna hack. But we'll be vibing on Saturday, chat. Okay, let me pull this so we get the new screens in. Give me a moment, chat. Pulling it into Git. Nice, FaZe. FaZe, I am looking for like community voters that want to be judging with us. And chat, I've got another big thing that I'm thinking. I want to let the viewers vote as well. What do you think of letting the viewers vote live on the projects, on the way people work and all that stuff? What do you think, chat? Drop a 1 if we should let viewers get in on it, or drop a 2 if we don't want the viewers' feedback, chat. Yeah. Let me know. And we could let viewers also have value to judge and make sure who wins and stuff. Yeah, I was thinking that. Okay, that's a good point. Judge's final decision. One moment, chat, just sending a client. One moment, chat. Clients first, you know the vibes, chat. I would love to vote. Did you get the most of your subs from videos or streams? I would argue, Nathan, videos, subs, videos, streams, and shorts, actually, all 3 of them. I don't know exactly how I can see it, but I would probably say mostly streams, because that's what I do consistently every single day, and that's what I've been doing consistently for the last 115 days. Chat, let me put you guys for a moment in mission control so I can do my work for a second. Give me a moment, chat, so I can type to my client. So I believe streams are a very big puller, but you need videos, Nathan. You need videos so that when people land on your YouTube, it looks like you're a creator, that you're dropping value, you know what I mean? So I would argue, Nathan, I would say streams is the most. All right, chat, let me get back locked in. I would say streams is probably the most of my, let's say, loyal following, where I kind of build a community with. Yeah, well, I was listening to Nick talk to you yesterday, Nathan. And basically where you are in, you're kind of in the same vibe as my nephew. So I would say, try to put as much content out there as you can. Even just showing your journey, like Nick said. Even you just time-lapsing yourself for 24 hours while you're vibe coding. I feel like the more genuine content you can put out, and sometimes you can also just sit in front of the camera, record a video for 15 minutes if you have a hard day. Everybody has a bad day, everybody has good days. If you have good days, make a 15-minute video. I'll tell you, these videos I can show you on my YouTube, and this has nothing to do with vibe coding, chat. And piggyback, what we call in the marketing industry, Nathan, is piggyback on big communities. Like I made a video about looks maxing. This video brought me in 10k subscribers, And I'm not even into looks maxing, chat. I was just talking that looks maxing, I'm more into competence. I'm more about what you really can do with skills. Look at this video. This was me just yapping an hour. I'm not even vibe coding here, chat. And these videos, they bang harder than my vibe code videos. But you need the vibe code videos to, that's the constant. That's what people know you for. But I would show all facets of your life, Nathan. Don't be shy, man. I'm telling you, if you do YouTube, you gotta go all in, man. That's what I did 115 days ago. It took me 40 years to hit the go live button, Nathan. So I'm just giving you advice as a young blood, man. Yeah, we got a giveaway going on today, man. We are trying to unlock the likes. Whoever's here, just like the stream. Join in on the chat. And if we get to the goal, I'll give away a Claude subscription today. But we got to get to the goal, chat. But Nathan, we'll tap in soon, man. I want to pick your brain as well on X. I'm sure you have the... You and my nephew, you guys look at the world differently. You guys are young G's. You are coming into AI now. I've been in the business for over 25 years, 30 years. So that's why I like to talk with young bloods, man. You guys have a different perspective on shit. And I like to share ideas, chat. That's the whole reason we're doing this streaming thing, chat, is when I'm waiting for it to vibe code. We just talking and learning. And like I said, chat, try to watch as many vibe coders online as you can, because nobody has the know-all, end-all game plan for AI, chat. AI is changing every single day. There's rumors that Fable 5 is getting dropped. There's rumors that the Chinese are running shit. Like, I'm telling you, man, like, just try to get as much knowledge and then apply the knowledge, chat. Put in the work. Put in the work. It's not just, you don't get to 500 completed orders, 5 stars on all 500. Well, on all 499, I got maybe one bad one. It's just grinding, chat. Start creating, Harsh. I know you've been streaming. Don't be shy, man. Get that webcam, man. Streaming without a webcam is like going to the club without drinking booze, chat. Like, what's the value? You know what I mean? You might as well stay home. And that's why I don't go to the club anymore, chat, because I don't drink booze. I only drink booze when there's real celebration, chat. So I'll drink booze when I hit 1 million subscribers. I'll have some nice Dom Perignon champagne or some shit. Okay, how's the logo going? Ooh, look at that, man. Beautiful. Alright, we're gonna get this map in. Let's do it for Replit. Replit has been good to us, chat. We'll be good to Replit. So, for this, I have to go to Replit, actually. Chat, you guys know I work on Replit all the time. I love Replit. You know the vibes. Any project that you're gonna launch where you expect a minimum of 100 users, chat, put it on Replit. It's gonna change the way you run shit online. It's a $9 billion valuated company, chat. They are doing shit the right way somehow. Alright, he's publishing. Let's go here. Damn, they changed everything up, chat, again. Alright. Now I want to go in the main. Let me put the picture here. Let me... In the hackathon room. So only the map for the hackathon. We need to change the image to this official image with the Replit logo. And in the room controls for the hackathon room only, allow me a switch that I can say branded or not branded. If I click branded, it shows this map. If I click not branded, it shows the map that we currently have. Does that make sense? And let's put that baby on power mode, chat. Alright, let's let this run. And I'm actually seeing if I can get into as an admin, but I can't. So we'll just let him run for a moment, chat. I'll be right back in the chat. Let me just do some work, chat. You know it. I prioritize work over stream, chat. You know it. That's what I'm doing here. I'm basically co-working with you guys. And Nathan, I don't know what you're doing in your day-to-day life, Nathan, but you're from the USA. I would definitely tap into Fiverr, man. That's the future of online work, Nathan. The last 4 months I've been shipping vibe coded projects, and I ship usually projects at least five-figure projects. I've got one more order in the queue, chat, and location is gives you an advantage in Fiverr. So I've also got a lot of people from less good regions, and I mean less good is mean life is just harder on that region, chat. Real talk. Alright, we got 20 on YouTube and 8 on X. Whoever wants to join the giveaway on X, come to the YouTube stream. Just drop a W message there and you're automatically entered to the board, man. You don't even have to chat, just drop a W. And like the stream so that we can reach the goal, chat. You know the vibes. We got more games coming on soon. FaZe, nice FaZe, you know the vibes. I'm gonna check all my Discord messages after chat. I've got over 50 messages, so bear with me, I'll get to them in a few. Is he already published it? Come on, man. Alright, chat. It's 1 hour in on the stream. Aldi, what's poppin', man? So that means I get to take a 5-minute or a 2-minute stretcher, chat. Let the agent work. Sorry, we'll let this agent work. And I'll be right back, chat. I'll be right back. Welcome back, chat. Round 2. Just tap in. Alright, this should be done. Alright, project is live. Let me check if he's added the 40 screens, chat. W Hisham. Nah, man, it's not showing the 40 screens, man. Room schedule. Ah, I get to do screens here, chat. I'm dumb. Dummy. Alright, chat. The 40 screens are ready. I'm such a dummy, man. I made it already. So smart. I use Claude from time to time, Hisham. I use Claude for other things. I'm waiting for Opus 5 to drop, and we'll go on that wave and get some views on that wave. But right now, chat, you guys know I have my Codex set up with my brain, and my entire operation runs daily on this, fully automated. Like, it's Codex has changed my life in the past 3 weeks, and Nick and Nathan were talking about it yesterday on stream. Like, all first year, it was all about Claude. But now I'm telling you, the moment they changed everything to GPT harness, like my entire business flows is, at least I've made twice as much money the last month than I did in Fable. And that's what I benchmark my models on, chat. How much money do I make? I don't benchmark my models on how much math solutions it can solve, you know what I mean? I'm not solving any diseases, or I'm not building any rockets. I'm just making money out here, and I must say, ChatGPT, it's killing it right now. They definitely know what they're doing, and they didn't invest $1 billion into Peter Steinberg for no reason, chat. You know what I mean? Okay, stream's healthy. I gotta do something here, chat. And I'll say here. But first, this one needs to be done. We're gonna make 2 views on the map. 1 view for the viewers and 1 view for the challengers. The challengers will get a submission box here, and they will get a box to choose which challenge they want to build. I have to test the voice mode, Hisham. Hisham, I haven't even gotten on the voice mode. And Hisham, shout out to you, man. Drop it on for that profile picture, man. It's called competence, man. You're leveling up like a G, man. Sooner or later. You know the vibes, man. Keep grinding. Chat, how's the logo? This is amazing. Replit's gonna be happy with that. This is good. It's my channel, chat. Let me publish this one more time now. Let's see. And then tomorrow I'm gonna do a full security rundown just to make sure that we're safe on Saturday, but we should be good. Okay, publishing now. So once that's published, we should get the Replit map here, and I should be able to switch it. What's up? Let me know. Welcome to the stream, homie. Welcome to the stream. Chat, don't forget, daily giveaway, like the stream, unlock it. We got 10 viewers on X. Whoever's viewing on X, shout out to you guys, man. But come to YouTube, drop a message in the YouTube chat box, and you'll automatically be entered in the Claude giveaway. I'm giving away a Claude subscription today, chat. Let me go back face cam, chat. Can you explain this brain integration? Yes, Hisham, I can basically explain it. And I'll explain it as I do to the most of my newcomers or new people that ask that question. Basically, this is my tech stack, chat. I pay for Obsidian. I've got 3 layer 0 models that I use. A layer 0 model is defined that the company is $1 trillion company and they are the ones creating the LLM. I use my layer 1 model for all my commercial projects, chat. I've got my payments on Supabase, Vercel, Cloudflare, all that good shit. We're paying the app stores. I pay Fiverr every month, $50 for advertising and the subscription. A bunch of tools and then a bunch of API credits. Now, how does the brain work? Basically, I'll give you an example. Every day, my agent, whether I'm awake or asleep, my agent will index my streams and will transcribe it from A to Z. I'll know what the chat is saying. I'll know what I said during that stream. And that way I'm building out my business as we go step by step. What else have I got here? I'm building out business ideas. I'm running my brands on the side. I get content ideas every day. It scours the web for, oh, you should stream about that or that. I get the collaborations. I analyze my competitors' chat. That's how I find new streamers. A new streamer with 1 viewer is a competitor as much as a streamer with 1 million viewers for me, chat. I get obsessed with this shit. If people know me on the stream, and because I'm so obsessed and I've got so many ideas, this brain really helps me to filter shit, man. I've got my streams in lock. I've got my sponsor pipeline running. I've got my entire projects planned, what I'm working on. Courses that I'm launching for you guys. And I'm launching the courses for free, chat. You know I will never sell a course. I know there's something called school.com and all that shit. I'm never charging for knowledge, chat. Knowledge is free and knowledge should be free forever. I'll give you an example of the courses that I'm starting, chat. This is for Fiverr. We've got 2 PDFs here. How to set up your profile on Fiverr. This is knowledge that people sell on the internet for $1,000, chat. I'm giving it away to you guys for free. Yes, Hisham. And you run schedules on it. I've got 2 schedules running on it. It basically indexes my streams daily and it indexes my computer daily. And everything gets put into the brain. And I've got folders to run my business, my clients, my stream. I'm running it for my health, chat. I'm getting into the health game. What do I eat? How do I train? All that shit. It's been amazing, chat. Obsidian is amazing. We got our own brain coming out soon. Shout out to the big dog PR. We've got our own brain coming out soon. I was talking with one of a very close friend of mine before, chat. He's in Belgium right now, and I was talking with him, and he's a businessman, chat, but he's a traditional businessman. That means he uses 0 AI in his workflow right now. That being said, he's a very smart guy, and he's got a lot of ideas as well. So, yo, PR, what's poppin', man? We just dropped your name. Talk about manifesting. We just dropped your name, man. Talk about manifesting. Welcome to the stream, homie. So I was talking with my homie from Belgium, chat, and he's a great businessman, but he doesn't use any AI for nothing. He doesn't even use scheduled tasks because he's never heard of Obsidian. And I believe we're gonna bring him on stream soon, just so that we can have a stream setup with a complete noob, chat. PR, shout out to you, man. What you building? Can you send pictures in the live and stuff? I would love to see it, man. It's always been a dream of mine to assemble a PC, but I just have never gotten into it, chat. We got 10 viewers on X as well. We're streaming on X, chat. Go support that stream. Always helps, you know the vibes. Let me post, just get the viewer count up there, you know the vibes. But come to the chat in YouTube if you want to participate in the spinny wheel thingy. We got a daily spinny wheel thingy going, chat, you know the vibes. 20 likes, chat. I'll actually even lower it today. I'll put it to 35 for you guys, chat. Just because I'm in a good mood, chat. But we gotta unlock it. So now we're reaching the goal faster, chat. Come on. Invite your friends, your homies, your nieces, your nephews, whoever wants to learn about the future, wants to find out what the job landscape is gonna be in the future. Trust me. Nobody's gonna go to factories building cars, chat. Nobody's... Nice, PR, checking a few, man. I'ma share it with the stream. Yo, Tommy, I got around £125 to spend on a subscription. I'm just wondering the best one. My honest opinion to you, FaZe, and FaZe the fuck up. My honest opinion to you, FaZe, is start with a $25 plan on ChatGPT. Use it until you run out, and then gradually upgrade. You'll find out what level you belong to, and maybe a $100 plan is enough for you. But before you buy that plan, FaZe, before you buy that plan, make sure you have a plan set up with the free version already, so that you know what you're gonna do to make money with that plan. Nice, PR, let's check it. Damn, chat, my Discord is tripping, chat. My Discord is tripping, chat. I'm gonna check all these messages in a few, chat. Let's go to the live and stuff. Let's go, man. This is a machine, chat. Damn, man. Homie on that GeForce RTX. I've always wanted one like this, chat, but with liquid cooling, or that you can see like the liquid. But this is clean, man. I like how clean his flow is, chat. PR is one of those tech dudes that's on point, chat. I ain't gonna lie, man. Can I invite Kim? You can invite Kim and his sister, KG. Shout out to you and welcome to the stream, man. Because his sister's gonna be the new reigning Supreme Leader, I heard, KG. I'm looking for something that gives me a bit more freedom with access to other models as well, so I can test them out and compare them. Well, I gotta be honest to you, man. If you want to get work done, you gotta tap in at the source phase. And you don't need multiple models. You need one good model that gets the job done, that brings in money. That's what you need. You don't need 500 models to test unless it's a hobby for you, FaZe. Don't get me wrong. If you're just chilling and you don't need anything and you're just chilling, then I would say get whatever you want. Spread it out over different plans. But I'm saying to you, you just need one model and you lock in. It's like a girlfriend, chat. You can't have multiple girlfriends. You just lock in with one girlfriend, man. We already don't have time for girlfriends, chat, when we're vibe coders. You know what I mean? You know the vibe, man. I need to get a new PC. Well, I got a new PC, need a win. Alright, now I got it. I thought you said I need a new PC on spinny wheel thingy. Damn, you be cheating hard, KG. You know what I mean? You be constantly looking at all the screens. I'm sure they got you tripping from time to time, KG. I'm sure they got you rage quitting almost. Let's see who rage quits this Saturday. I'm very curious to see who rage quits. Claudia making me angry. You see it? Claudia on your nuts, man. I am... I do like those names, chat. I think we might have to steal them from KG. Codexy, Claudia, and Kimmy. Fuck a Kimmy. I saw Hunter do Kimmy today. Alright, chat. Just give me a moment. Let me vibe code this shit into it. We're almost there. Let's see. I want to get the new map in for Replit. We're preparing the room for the hackathon on Saturday, chat. Whoever's watching on X, shout out to you, but come to YouTube. Drop a W there. You'll be added to the spinny wheel thingy, chat. But YouTube's winning right now in viewers, chat. Shout out to the YouTube gang. This weekend, PR, in 2 days, I believe. Well, if I'm 100% correct, in 44 hours, chat. Tomorrow we have Freelance Friday. So I'm excited to do Freelance Friday. I'm actually open to bringing some people on stream that want to do their profile on stream. But we'll have Freelance Friday in the classroom. So here we'll do Freelance Friday tomorrow, chat. Everybody is invited. Let me actually open up the classroom for you guys tomorrow. So room controls, unlock the room. And let's just come here. Whoever wants to come on stage and share their Fiverr profile tomorrow, let's do it. But I like the idea with the guy not using AI. Maybe we can blow his mind. What guy is not using AI? Oh, yeah. The one I spoke about, the Belgium dude. He's been my close friend for over 30 years, PR. And that's why I want to bring him. Just so that he sees the potential. And just so that new viewers that don't have an idea what AI is, see the potential. Yeah, PR. 100%. I was speaking to him a half an hour on the phone before. He's truly one of my... He's like a brother, chat, no cap. For me, it's all in, you know, the vibes. When I get to like somebody, chat, it's all in, like unconditional. That's the only way I believe you can appreciate or love someone without no Diddy type vibe. But it's unconditional, chat, and he's been one of the... My friend group isn't that big, chat, but my friend group is unconditional, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, chat, let's give it 1 minute. I just have to get Dollar Vibe Club published. Alright, so this is done. Let me pull in the Git, and then I can go to GPT again. Alright, so I just did a small final map change in Replit. That is pushed to the Git, so make sure you get the latest version. And then I need to look at my screenshot for the hackathon room, right below the hackathon room title, I want to add two features. I want to add features, a view that only the viewers and the students and the members will see. And then I want to add a view that the challengers and the hackers will see, so they don't see each other. Who are the challengers and the hackers in the room? Those are the ones with markers already set on the map. That being said, for a viewer, for now I just want to comment soon as a viewer, some comment soon text. You'll be able to engage with the hackathon here, and then when a challenger logs in, they should see a select your challenge coming soon panel just for now. After we'll fine tune that, but just get those panel views going for the right roles. Make sure regular viewers that are not competing in the hackathon and not accepted as a challenger don't see what the challengers see, and vice versa. Let me refresh the map one moment. Let me check. I want to check something, chat. I'm going to check the messages in a few. Give me a second. I want to go to the room control. And where is the Replit? Branded map. Here we go. And then we hit save. Let's fucking go, man. Shout out to Replit, chat. Shout out to Replit for taking over the studio, man. This is amazing, chat. This is amazing. Oh, I'm so excited for the hackathon, chat. I feel like a kid again, man. I feel like a kid in the candy store. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, so this one has to go a moment. Let's run it. Bring the business ideas for sure, PR. I'll tap you in. He's our age, PR, so he's a good vibe. Let me know. Don't forget, chat. PR says Spinny will thingy. That means invite your friends to watch the stream and tell them to like the stream so that we can unlock the spinny wheel. Everybody's names. Oh, Doctor's here. I didn't see that. Let me play the sound, chat.
No fighting. Oi!
Oi!
No fighting. No fucking fighting. No fighting. No fucking fighting!
Welcome to the stream, Carl. I missed your message, but welcome to the stream. Yes, we have that, PR. They can fill in their status here, whatever you want. Gone to toilet. Boom, gone to toilet. And I'll have the status pop up on their image as well. I'll have the status pop up on their screen as well. That's a good idea. I'll put that on it as well. We'll do that in a few. I'm happy we did a 12-hour stream, chat, and not a 24-hour. Man, I'm thinking 12 hours is going to be running it. But I'm happy we got a 12. Chat, can somebody try to enter the room? I'm wondering why this is glitching right now, but it might be because my agent is working in it. Chat, we got 10 viewers on X, man. That's pretty cool. Shout out to the chatters in X. If you guys are in X, just send me a message on X. I might see it in the chat. And if not, come to YouTube, send me a message and you'll get submitted to the Claude giveaway. Alright. Let me post this on Twitter, chat. We just got the arena branded. Shout out Replit. For the generosity and support across the board. Let's get it. Post. Life and stuff. What's that? What's that? What's that, PR? Is that you or me? Ah, let me post a video actually.
You say the world is just us somehow. You face the doubt and you say goodbye. I'm just a interstate for making of your days. I know you can.
All right, he's burning. Audio on. Well, let me turn off the audio here.
Streets. Peace on the streets. No freaking fighting. Keep vibe coding.
It needs a bit more energy. Oh, nice. Andre, you're the first ever on X. Welcome to X. Andre, shout out to you, man. Oh, I love that you got the same profile pic. Am I following your ass on X? Boom. Following you as we speak. Oh no, that's my other account. Wait, that's my alt account. Don't leak it. Don't leak it, Andre. Let me follow you here. How do I go to the stream here? Can't I see Andre here? Ah, here he is. Yeah, I was following you. Don't leak my burner account. Welcome back, Aldin. Okay, chat, let's get back to work because we were drifting. Let's get back to work. We've got at least a couple of hours to do. I'll say it one more time, chat. You chat to enter, you like the stream, and we probably might be in a good mood today. Right now, we're just fine-tuning the room. All right. This can close, this can close, this can close. Hackathon is ready. Now we're putting in the view for viewer and for challenger. So just let me keep that for a moment. The giveaway is running smooth. And then here, basically when I go here, let me close. Let me see if I can close the application for the live hackathon chat. So now when I hit close, yeah, boom, it's closed. The applications are closed. Hackathon starts in 44 hours. Okay, we'll do that. We'll leave it open for now. That's good, that's good. Do I need to add anything, chat, that you think we're missing either on the hackathon page or on the hackathon room or here? Now we're adding extra integration tools so people can vibe with it. Haha, Phoenix. Shout out to Phoenix. I don't know what Phoenix is. I only know Phoenix as one of the OG mods who grew up very fast, chat. I didn't expect Phoenix to grow up that fast, man. I met the homie and he was saying like my goal's $1,000. Like for Europeans and for us, $1,000 is like peanuts, chat. But the moment he hit it, his life has changed, chat. He's got more busier, he's got more responsibilities, and he's getting it done like a G. So shout out to Phoenix, man. All right, let me synchronize this one more time. Three months he was here, chat. 3 months. I'm gonna post one more because I have Cassie. I believe I have Cassie and the gang. 35 vibe coders and counting that will be vibe coding live on stream for 12 hours. At Kizza, at Dorcas, at Phoenix. PR, do you got Twitter? Yes, he got Twitter. At Andre, at Nova. Nova, do you got what is your Twitter, Aldin? I can't find your Twitter, homie. Anybody that's joining the hackathon, drop your Twitter here and I'll invite you. What's up, Piano Fun? I like that. I'm gonna call you Piano, man. What's up? Welcome to the stream, Piano. Let me clap it up for you. Chat, whoever's joining the stream, let me know. The hackathon, I can tag you. Nick, Nathan, Ah, focus, what's your... You're on it, PR, you're on it, you're on it, you're on it, you're on it. Nova from Aldin. Alright chat, I'm gonna post it. No, I tried to type in Hunter from High-in-5, but I'll also add you, I forgot, sorry. But Hunter is called Hunter from High-in-5, he's the dude from High-in-5. Piano, are you gonna join the hackathon, Piano? Are you gonna join the Piano? Piano, are you gonna join the hackathon? Because I don't remember you on the board. This is only for the hackathon, so if you drop a W... I don't know what you mean, who? Who, isn't that OVO? Yeah, this is just to promote the hackathon, Piano. Alright, that's posted, that's good. He's working on that room, he's done. Okay, we get to pull it and publish it, let's see. Let's see if he understood what I meant, chat. That's usually a surprise. Yeah, invite people, man. You know the vibes, but don't worry, chat. It's gonna be a busy one Saturday, so let's enjoy the calm before the storm. You know the vibes. And probably on Saturday, chat, I'm gonna give away a $100 plan for the chatters. A $100 plan from Claude. Giving away a $100 plan this weekend, chat. And if it's going good to stream and it's crazy and the vibes are high, I might give away $200 plans, chat. Money isn't real, right? Somebody said that. Saturday it's gonna be a vibe, chat. We're giving them out. And I probably will spin the wheel mid-stream and at the end of the stream. So people who only have time to watch mid, so everybody gets a chance. Chat around the world. The hackathon is on Saturday. You can find all the information in the pinned link. You got 44 hours to join up for the hackathon. We've got 35 people. No. Tomorrow it's Freelance Friday, baby. Tomorrow it's Freelance Friday, baby. Yeah, you can change your time zone here, chat. Any time zone you are, you can go and figure out what time it begins in your time zone. We are a global company at this point. Okay, publishing Dollar Vibe Club right now. So let's see if he does the major change. And we get to see I'm going to the hackathon room now as a hacker. Alright, I don't know why it's flickering for me. Aldin, if you get a moment, or Hunter, if you get a moment, drop into the map. I just want to see if you guys start flickering as well. I don't know what's causing that. But that's something I definitely have to get checked out. Yeah, that's weird that it's flickering. Okay, I have a weird thing going on. Right now, I've got two computers. One I'm logged in as admin, one I'm logged in as student. what I'm sending you in the screenshots, you can basically see the student, but it's also disappearing from the map, so it like flickers every 2 seconds. So you see it, then you don't see it. You see it, then you don't see it. You know what I mean? Chat, I have a problem right now that I'm logged in on 2 computers, one as an admin, one as a student, different devices. As an admin, I can see the student, but the student is flickering, so it disappears and appears in the room. But on the student view, the admin's also flickering and it's moving up and down. So I don't know what's causing that. Please check that it connects fine on all on one session and everything stays working. This is very important because we've got the hackathon coming up in a few days. Let me turn on the AC because that's tripping me out, that part. Alright, almost published. We should be able to see the cards coming in here, but that's tripping me out. Let me just close this for a second, chat, while he's debugging it. Let him just debug it for a second. Let me check if we've got any new submissions on stream. I'll approve submissions on stream when you join, and I'll approve new accounts. All right, we got 2 new accounts, Blaze and AWS. Let's go. Your accounts have been approved, and if you want to join the hackathon, you can join up. Let me know and I'll approve your application as we go. I gotta invite access here, one moment. I gotta get for a client. One moment, chat. Alright, Replit is done. Fiverr message is done. He shared his Fiverr account with me. Let me accept the access. One moment. Just dealing with a client, chat. He's transferring his domain and all that shit. You know the vibes. That's what I mean, chat. Sometimes you just gotta guide the client step by step. That's what's make a difference on Fiverr for that 5-star review. Alright, Aldin. That's the first time. Alright, don't stab anybody so that you're not locked up for the hackathon. No fighting. I'll tell you already before I end the stream, so no fighting. And chat, 10 more and we're there, chat. And I'm gonna take a stretcher in a few minutes. Let me see how the Twitter's going. I was on Andre's profile. Wow, we got 15 viewers on Twitter, chat. Welcome everybody on Twitter. Elon, I'ma be on your platform every single day, homie. On gang, I will be on your platform every day, Elon. Elon, just for you, I'ma start working in Grok as well, Elon. But on gang, I'm gonna be on Twitter every single day, chat. That's the next platform I wanna dominate, chat. I've done it with Fiverr. I've done it with YouTube. I've done it with my bank account. Next up, Twitter, chat. You know the vibes. Come on, man. Start burning. Did you publish already? You be on my nuts for no reason, man. Alright, he's in it. Coming soon. Okay, so the viewers get the viewing wall. And then I would need to see if a hacker gets a hacker wall, but I can check that after. I don't like this flickering, man, but someone said it's my computer that's flickering. What's poppin', Mike? Orale, homie. Orale, homie. We're getting ready for the event. Right now, we're fully focused on preparing the event. We're putting everybody's places, everybody in place. We're testing the room controls, the rights. We set up all the screens for sharing. And now I'm building a section that the viewers can vote on the projects. And the hackers can submit the projects through this page. So they basically nobody has to leave the office page, let's say. We're streaming on Twitter as well, Mike. So orale, man, if you're on Twitter, go to my Twitter. Just tap in for the vibes, man. You know it. This is the next platform we want to dominate. 17 viewers, chat. 17 viewers, 19 on YouTube. You have to get active in the YouTube chat, though, if you want to win the daily spinny wheel, chat. What up, X? Say hi to Mike, man. He's OG. He's the unk of the chat. We go to him for wisdom, chat. We go to him when we need insight. Do not underestimate experience, chat. Do not underestimate experience. When I was a young blood, I used to think, nah, experience ain't got shit on vision. But I'm telling you, experience combined with vision, chat, it's a whole other game park, man. It's a whole different level, chat. Come on. Let him get this flickering done. And once the flickering is done, we're going to work on how we would... What's up, Cassie? Welcome, welcome, Cassie. Thank you very much. I haven't replied to your... I don't know if you sent on Discord, but I did see you joined up. So you're in the tech lounge. You will be vibe coding with 4 other streamers. They all stream. And they'll all be streaming. We still got Nick coming in. But shout out to you, Cassie. I'm very excited to have you on board. I know you're a pro vibe coder. Shout out. Well, he actually is DaVinci right now, facts, because he's building out a board of AI. What's poppin', led? Cassie, I'm very happy. I'll send to you a thank you personally again in Discord. I'm very glad. I wish Sans could join, but she's swamped in work and education, which I get as well. But it's gonna be cool. We got 35 contestants, chat. 35 so far, and I think we got 5 more signing up. Chat, you know the vibes, man. We're dropping it this week. We also branded the room with Replit, chat. Shout out to Replit for being such a community involved company. They don't have to do this, chat. They're worth $9 billion, you know what I mean? They don't have to come in and bless us, but they did. They came in and blessed us. That's why they're taking over this room. Can you give me a country in America that is around your time zone? And then I can do it. I don't know what EST means, Cassie. I'm sorry, I'm dumb that way. So New York, let's take... No, she's... I believe Los Angeles. It would start at 10 a.m. for you. Oh, New York. New York. It would start at 1 p.m. for you, Cassie. 1 p.m. Saturday. 1 p.m. on a Saturday. And I'm giving away Claude subscription plans. On Saturday, I will be giving away $100 plans, but today we're giving away $20 plans. So the chat will be able to win prizes as well. And chat, whoever's vibe coding is also allowed to join the chat to enter stream. So it's a big gifts all day Saturday. And the idea is, chat, that we go into these rooms. Let's say Cassie's vibe coding, and we literally get to see how Cassie builds stuff. And because everybody's working on the same project, but they all need to do their own version, we get to learn so much in those 12 hours, chat. I promise you, man, we get to see what people are using Claude, what people are using Manners, Kimmy, Replit, who's using Obsidian, all that good stuff, chat. What's up, Amine? Welcome to the stream. Let me clap it up for Cassie and Amine. Led, clap it up for you guys. Welcome to the stream. It's a bit more busy than today. We've got prepping work, we're running the code, and we're just focused on getting the arena ready, chat. Chat, we're getting beat by X. Look, we've got 23 viewers on X, chat. What's up? The gang is here. And we've only got 22 on YouTube, chat. That means X, oh no, 24 on X, 22 on YouTube. X is beating us in reach, chat. You know the vibes, man. Well, whether it be on X or it be on YouTube, chat, we'll be here every single day. And I believe at the end of this month, I can say for the next 7 months, chat. I got 7 months to go where you'll catch me working, talking, vibe coding and chilling. And now that we've got some more homies like Nick, Nathan, Matab, AI Mastery, Josh, Cassie, Roberto, who knows, one day when we're all streaming we can also play a game online. And that's gonna boost the views for us all, chat. I mean, hey, no smoking on stream anymore, chat. No smoking on stream. If we are to take this shit to 1 million subscribers, we gotta behave sometimes. Only when I'm not in my own house, I'll smoke on stream, chat. I just don't want to smoke hot box inside. Hunter knows what's up, man. He used to be coming here. 26 viewers, chat. X is winning right now, damn. X overtaking YouTube. Who would have thought? But what an amazing stream, chat. First time for me going live on 2 streams, chat, and I'm using I'm using Streamlabs Ultra, chat. I do. I mean, hey, you know the vibes, man. The best and nothing less, man. Oh, come on, man. Get this fix going for me. And then we should be able to check the room again in a few moments, chat. And then I'm going to fine tune these cards. I'm going to allow viewers to vote on the projects that the vibe coders are making. That way it gets a bit fair. Twitch is going to be for in 3 months, Cassie. If I'm able to smash it out of the park and go to 5,000 followers on X, then Twitch is up next. I choose to focus always on one platform, Cassie. I did it with Fiverr only 3 years. Then now, YouTube 3 months. Now that YouTube's taken off, I'm going to focus 3 months on X only. I believe focusing in and locking in on one platform, chat. Once you got your community, they're going to help you grow on the next platforms. It's all about giving and taking, chat. We give and take. So Twitch up next, chat. When we do gaming streams, I'll go on Twitch for sure. I've been dying to play Among Us, and I've never had online friends that also stream. So if the streamers out there want to get in on Among Us and vibe coding, chat, imagine. 27 views on X, man. Shout out to everybody in X. What's up, Harsh? What's up, Tam Tam? Let me know who's watching on X and not watching on YouTube. Send me that in the chat, man. Don't be shy, chat. You know the fucking vibes. I love the name, man. I love the name. And one reason I love the name a lot, Mike, is because I've got a handheld Legion. And Aldin's going to help me put Linux on it soon. Aldin's going to help me put Linux on it soon. Nice, Harsh. I respect the support, man. I respect the support. Shout out to you, man. Come on. Let's get this fixed. Then we can work on the cards. How long have we been streaming? Alright, chat. We might need to take a stretcher in 15 minutes. Then I'm going to take a little break. Then we've been streaming 2 hours. I take a 3-minute break. You know the vibes, chat. Don't forget, hydrate yourself. Go take a bathroom break. Don't be keeping in your pee like that. You know what I mean? What a time to be alive, chat. I've especially taken my Fiverr just to selective customers that I want to do. Chat, we got a beautiful tip yesterday. I don't know if you guys seen it in the Discord. We got a beautiful tip that came in on that Freelance Money channel, chat. We got a beautiful tip of $180 yesterday on the money that I already made. So nice. Tips are the best, chat. Tips go to tokens. Why not make one CLI for coding some shit, like something with 8 agents or something that make job faster? Well, I mean, I believe that's a myth. I can run 100 agents at the same time here. That's no problem. I can literally just right click something. For example, a client. I'll take out a client. I'll right click it and open in a new window, and boom, I've got my second agent on it. So I'm telling you, GPT right now is the most powerful harness on the block. And my operating system is baked, but we'll see, man. Start shipping, chat. We've got a feature, a user set it, and I'm gonna build it in. The members on Dollar Vibe Club have to start shipping monthly, and if you're not shipping monthly, you're gonna lose XP points, and you won't be able to do things on Dollar Vibe Club. If you're not shipping, like there's something wrong. You gotta be shipping projects every single day, chat. And chat, don't get me wrong, I understand that people got a life outside of this, so if you can't ship a project every single day, you should at least ship a project every single Monday. You've got weekend, you've got AI, so if you're not shipping projects, like I ship 5 projects on a Monday if I want. You know what I mean, chat? Alright, we should be good. Let me check the publish one more time, one moment, chat. Let me get it. Let me pull the last commit. Confirm it. Let me refresh it. And then publish it. And then once that's published, let's get into this part now. Okay, so we set up this view, and basically I would like that admin accounts can see both views, so we should have a little switch so that we can see it as a viewer, as a challenger, and as admin. Set that up for me now so that we can then fine tune the cards. To start, for now, I want to focus on the viewer card. And right now we have decided on stream that we will give viewers the opportunity to vote on the challenges. And I don't have a good idea on how we should do that yet. Actually, you could list all the challenges for now and then just have it with a 5-star and users get to vote. And let them vote how they want. So they could do multiple votes as well, I think. Alright, let's just run that. Let me know when I can pull and publish, and then we'll fine tune from there. Is $5 site? I can talk with friends from same. You can talk with anybody from all over the world, man. $Vibe Club is all over the world right now. Look, we're spread out in France, Estonia, India, somewhere on earth, Spain, Thailand, United States, Pakistan. We're everywhere, chat. Look, it's all around the world. And I'm sure that you'll find someone alike. I don't chat much because I'm grinding too, but mostly watching you, entrepreneur. I appreciate it. Harsh, keep grinding, man. Put me in the background. Always grind first. Add Hackathon O-Pitch to the side. What does that mean? Hackathon O-Pitch. What is a Hackathon O-Pitch, chat? How to ship that fast with plus... Nah. Okay, you're right. Let me know. You're right. I didn't think about the people with plus subscriptions, chat. And you're probably at a disadvantage if you're running a race against me. So your number one goal, let me know, should be to get the Pro Max subscription. Add Hackathon page to sidebar. It is. You should be able to go here. And then you should be able to click the Hackathon. But I'll change it. I'll change that in a few. I'll get that done, Amine. Let me copy that to Discord. I'm gonna copy that here. So I'll put it on after. That way people can go easy. Well, if you've got money for a max plan and you can put it to use, I would definitely run a max plan, chat. But if you've never used a max plan, I would start with a pro and you can always upgrade. Yo, Bobux, what's poppin'? Bobux, out here, we basically doing online hustling. So I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a top rated seller on Fiverr. Over 500 orders done. I've got over 25 years of running my own business. We are running a hackathon. So coming Saturday, 35 people will build live on stream one challenge. And anybody's able to join. And we got daily giveaways going on. And all we do on this channel is vibe code. We vibe code business, we vibe code our life, we vibe code projects. I absolutely do, Sam. Hit me with something, man. Alles goed met u? Spreek je Nederlands of wat? Ik ben geboren en getogen in Antwerpen, Sam. Dus als je mij verstaat, dan verstaat je mij. You know the fucking vibes, chat. Welcome to the newcomers. Let me clap it up for you guys. Where are you guys from? Amsterdam, baby. I love Amsterdam, Sam. Arguably the second best place on the world, Sam. Phuket, Thailand, Bangkok being the first. But Amsterdam is amazing, chat. Amsterdam is so fucking amazing. Nah, my chair's still on my broke days, man. My chair's still from when I was broke, chat. I never really got a new chair. I keep the chair to keep me humble, chat. Nou, ik spreek ook wel een beetje Nederlands, Sam. Mijn Nederlands accent klinkt soms wel heel Nederlands. Maar toch liever dat Vlaams, hey. Sam, I'm just fucking with you, man. You a vibe coder, Sam? Bo Bucks, where you from, man? Chat, tap in. I'm giving away Claude subscriptions every day. $20 today. $100 plans on Saturday, chat. Invite your friends, invite your homies. Keep liking the stream. I might be in a good mood today. Your name gets automatically added to the board as soon as you chat. As soon as you send a message. We vibe coded that shit, chat, live on stream a couple of days ago. Nice, Sam. Nice. Love to hear it, man. How long you been vibe coding, if I can ask? Very nice, man. Not a lot of people in the Netherlands are tapped in that way, Sam, I think. I was talking today with a business owner in Antwerp. Well, then you're on it, Sam. You're on it. I always say to the stream, Sam, for the next 3 years, it's a major opportunity. And after that, everybody's going to be able to build projects. I should, Harsh, but I have to do that. I have to code that in the future. I'll code that maybe tomorrow, Harsh. That's a good idea. Let me send that in the feature. Combine X and YouTube views on spinny wheel thingy. That's very good, Harsh. Thanks for that. Nice, Sam. If you can send us a screenshot on Discord, I would love to see it, man. I tell everybody every day, we learn every day from new people, man. How they build, how they set up their terminals. You know the vibes, man. And Sam, I don't know if you're free, but if you're down to join the hackathon, we've got some amazing prizes on the board. You got 34 challenges, $1,000 on the board, first prize, and then a bunch of follow-up and runner-up prizes. But I know if you're busy, you know the vibes. But I would love to have you, man. I don't think we have Netherlands representing yet. We got Belgium, Spain, Algeria, Kosovo. No Netherlands, chat. You would be fighting out the Netherlands, Sam. That would be amazing if you could join. Roberto, W, man. Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo estás? Mi estudiado español for you, my homie, bro. You, my homie, bro. Hola, re. Algeria. We don't have Algeria on the board. Oh, we have Algeria, chat. Shadowman. Shadowman from Algeria, chat. Now, we need Netherlands on the board, chat. Netherlands is a great country, and Amsterdam is the coolest city, in my opinion, in Europe, no cap. Second, Paris. Third, London. You know the vibes, Harsh. I try to educate myself everywhere I go, homie. Je parlais un petit peu français aussi, et pour la français, c'est parisien dans la stream. Like and subscribe, mon ami. I mean, hey, tap in, man. Go to Dollar Vibe Club right now. It's free to join. We will never charge a membership on Dollar Vibe Club, chat. We offer courses on Dollar Vibe Club. We offer community. We offer co-work. We offer mentorship. And I believe it's the future of how people are going to run jobs in the future. People aren't going to go to offices anymore, chat. Let's put it that way. People are going to go to virtual offices, virtual workplaces, and collaborate. Alright, Roberto, I'll check it. Let me see what you're posting. Born to the beat. Nice, man. Roberto is going to be locked in for 12 hours, chat. 12 hours. I would change 12 hours, one idea. Roberto, you have to build one idea that we will supply the day it starts. So write down 12 hours, one idea. And see if we can take it to $1 million app this year. Alright, Sam, let me approve your account right now. And then when you apply to the hackathon, I'll approve your application as well. Alright, software cycle got approved. Sam got approved. Alright, and now you can join up for the hackathon. You just, let me send the Discord actually. We are growing the Discord to 1,000, chat, but I'm working on the Discord. I'm learning every day. Again, chat, bear with me. I've only been doing this shizzle for the last 115 days. That's the Discord. Oh, let's go, PR. Shout out to you, man. Sem, that would be amazing, man. Shout out to Netherlands. All we do out here is vibe code daily, chat. Vibe code in our live away. Let's put it that way. Is he done? Okay, he published the glitch, so the glitch should be good now. So I'll go to the office, and here you should see me walking. All right, perfect, perfect, perfect. And the students, again, test it. They can only walk on the sides. They can't go in the rooms. Perfect. Let's get it, chat. That's looking sweet. Replit logo in it. We got the... This is being built right now. Alright. But it's still glitching, man. I hate that this glitches. Mark Santos, W, welcome to the stream, homie. You're new here. I haven't seen your name here before, I think, Mark. But I have seen your name out on the interwebs, Mark. I've seen you chatting out there. Shout out to Mark. Sem, let me know once you apply and I'll approve it. Thanks for checking in on us, Mark. I appreciate that. Let's go to Mark, chat. I'm not sure if I'm following him. Man, let's follow the homie Mark, man. He's been grinding, chat. He's been grinding. Alright, Mark. I'm tapped in. I maybe was too shy last time to say hi to you. You big. You a big dog. I maybe was too shy, chat. I like to stay in my own lane. Don't step on any toes. But shout out to you, Mark. How's your YouTube journey been, Mark? I haven't checked your content fully, but I know you've been grinding, man. I would love to collaborate with you, Mark. Matter of fact, if you don't got time to join the hackathon, if you want to join as a judge, I know you've got some skills, but if you want to join the hackathon, you're welcome to. We got some great prizes going on, and it's good content. We got 5 people, 5 streamers, 6 streamers, so I would love to get you in on that, Mark. You big dog, man. Chat, W is for Mark, man. I like people who are down to earth, chat. Mark, really with it. Nice, Mark. Just click the live hackathon link in the chat. It's free to join. Once you sign up, I'll approve your account. And once you join in, we've got some great prizes running. What do we got? $1,000 is the first prize in Replit credits. A bunch of prizes, Mark. And Mark, if you can, send me a DM on Discord. I want to have your... Or send me a request. I would love to have your... DM you directly. I'm sure I can learn a lot from you, Mark. I would love to pick your brain, and that's it. Community, man. I believe that the step that I made for YouTube was to get to meet people, chat, because I never leave my house. I literally never leave my house, chat. Come on, get this room built so that we can test it. It's not glitching anymore, the avatar, so that's good. Okay, chat, we've been streaming 2 hours. I need to take my 2-minute break. Let me just double check if anybody's signing up. Hunter, if you can also keep an eye on the sign-ups. Mark, I just approved your account, so you should be able to submit your application, and then I'll approve it right away for you, Mark. Bless, man. I appreciate that, man. Mark, I appreciate that a lot. Alright, chat, clap it up for Mark. Drop some W's for him. Dr. Superior. Dr. Q, what's up, man? I seen your name yesterday. I believe it was in Nick's chat. Good energy you had, man. Good energy. Welcome to the stream. Let me clap it up for you as well, man. Chat, I don't want to be rude, but I'm going to take my hourly stretcher. Every hour I take a 2-hour stretcher. So bear with me. I'll be back in 2 minutes. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Let me set you guys in mission control. And feel free to join the hackathon as we speak. Let me vibe code this. Let me put some vibes on it. Alright, chat. 2 minutes and I'll be back, chat.
treasure true, the neck so strong beneath the stone. The wind and the festival, nothing can be told.
Alright chat, we're back. Sorry, I didn't mute the music, so you might have heard it double. He's still working. Shout out to Mark. Let me approve Sem's application, so we get Amsterdam on the board, chat. That's so cool. Give me a moment to tap in, chat. Thanks for dropping the Discord, Hunter. Sem, your application is accepted. Welcome to the hackathon, man, and let me get you on the board. Where do you want to sit, Sem? Because you're a newcomer, I'll let you choose your place type vibe. So let's add Sem to the board. There we go. And then Mark, once you signed, I'll add you in the streamer room. I'll put you here with the homies. Or wherever you want, Sem. Alright, I'll put you with the homies, man. You got Hunter, these are some smart guys as well. They're a cool gang, but you can move around. I might let people move around during stream. We'll see how I can get that vibe coded. Let me check the chat. Mark's got the Discord. Let me see. Yeah, he's got it. Alright, Mark, if you can send me a DM, man. My username should be somewhere there. Then I'll follow up with you after stream, Mark, for sure. Hunter, shout out to you. Aldin, how are you back? You went to sleep, homie. Well, we just got some new peeps here, man. Sem, Mark Santos. Mark Santos is someone, chat, is I used to like I say, I study the competition, so, but like I said, I like it when people are down to earth. Shout out to Mark. He makes some good videos, chat, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, the homie Trump. The homie Trump. Alright, we got the spinny wheel thingy going, chat. Everybody's on the board. And I'll unlock it for you guys. I think in 30 to 45 minutes I'm gonna end the stream. But I'm gonna unlock it for you guys. We had a full house in Twitch, in X as well. So I'll unlock it. Let's give out a Claude subscription, chat. Unlock for the OGs. Let's go, chat. The wheel is open. All you gotta do is chat in YouTube and you get added automatic. Spinny the thingy. You know the vibes, PR. You know the vibes. Orale, Mike, if you're gonna make some music, I would love some cowboy music, man. Nice, let's check the setup, chat. Nice. Where did you post it? Oh, nice. Damn, chat, homie, burning. I thought I was on token burn season, chat, look at that. Well, I won't leak it too long. Maybe he might be leaking something, but damn, chat. Homies tapped in. Talk about tapped in, chat. Nice. Nice, Sem. I thought you were sending the setup of your PC. We had some great setups over time, man. Arguably, this, I like one of my favorites. This one is cool, but it's changed because he sold this PC. Oh, vibe coders driving Chinese cars out here, chat. Nah, the Discord is fun, chat. I never had a Discord community. I used to be part of one always. That was fun. Yes, Roberto, for the first time I've been using Streamlabs. Chat, I'm sorry if I'm missing messages. I'm sorry if I'm missing messages because it's a bit more busy than usual. Gotta ask Codex to connect Twitter view. Yeah, I'll do that. That's on the board, Aldin. We already posted it in the features. 5 more monitors. That's why I've got my headset, chat. I show you guys, and I might do another VR stream. But you know it, man. I just modded my headset entirely. This is what I'd be vibe coding from, chat, in the middle of the virtual lake. And I love my new strap, chat. The new strap is kind of iPhone-ish. Nah, man. We're living in the future, chat. We're living in the future, man. We're living in the future, chat. Freelance Friday. Nah, maybe after Freelance Friday I'll do VR stream. I want to do fishing in VR and vibe coding, chat. Add a feature that automatically adjusts the music based on the voice volume. That's above my pay grade, Harsh. I would have to figure out how I'm doing. Roberto, yes, get Streamlabs Ultra, and I'm streaming on X and it's been great. 27 viewers. So let's start. Hunter, for you as well. Hunter Yippelaps, you have to be on Streamlabs Ultra tomorrow, and you have to be dual streaming tomorrow. No excuses. Drop a W if you agree, Hunter. W, alright, let's get it. See you on X tomorrow, homie. Okay, we can publish this. Give me a moment, chat. Give me a moment. Let me pull the Git. Pull it. Confirm it. Refresh it. And then publish it. And then the audience should be able to vote, chat. The audience should be able to vote. It's publishing right now. Let me just check submissions so I can accept anybody joining. Alright. Hunter, you keep crypto. Docs, you've just been approved. Yeah, get Streamlabs and only X. YouTube and X only, Hunter. Well, Roberto, I have TikTok as well. Actually, I made something, chat, but I can't seem to find it. Let me see if I made it for the stream today. One moment. Let me see if I can find that shit. Nah, that's not it. Alright, this is it. Let me see if I can get it into Streamlabs. Alright, this is basically what I wanted to show. So this is my socials that I'm working on now, chat. I don't know if you guys see it on stream. Let me check. Yeah, you should see it on stream now, chat. That's a little stream update I did, but I'm actually going to put it over my stream cam. Nah, I better put it here. That's nicer. Nicer, nicer. Yeah, Roberto, I was thinking about that. That's what I wanted to do when I buy the iPhone 18. But I'm waiting until iPhone launches it. And then basically I want to copy this. Oh, can't I copy that? Copy. And then I can post it here as well. Nice. And then that can go to the top. And then I can go to the setup stream, post it here as well. And that can be in the bottom. And then we got the scene here, post it as well. That's good. All right, so we got them all set up, chat. All right, chat, let's get a timer going so that everybody can see when we're going to spin the wheel. We're about to spin the wheel today, I'll tell you that. Chat, before we go further and I start the timer, The winners will be announced at the end of the stream. That's going to be in about 20 or 30 minutes. Once that's done, make sure you got an account on Dollar Vibe Club. Most of you do. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, chat, just so that I can confirm the email that you signed up with in Dollar Vibe Club so that I can send it to the right person. My Instagram is going to be different content, chat. That's going to be more lifestyle shit. But I'm thinking to get vibe coding on here as well. But we'll see, step by step. Everybody's in the spin. As soon as you chat, you're in the spin. So you will see every name gets added to the spin as soon as you chat. Crypto Ducks, I've missed your message here somehow. Ah, here you are. So I missed your message earlier. But welcome to the stream, homie. Aloe, welcome to the stream. Everybody that drops one message in the chat gets added to the board automatically, chat. Crypto Ducks is on it. I guess Aloe is going to come on it in 20 seconds. Hey, update. Yeah, Aloe is here. So we'll spin in a few moments. Let me get the timer started. And then we can close off the stream and then get prepared for Freelance Friday tomorrow. Alright, let me show the screen. Here we go, chat. Aloe is on it. Crypto's on it. Everybody's on it. Mark, shout out to you again. I'll tap in with you after the stream, Mark. When it's less, hectic. And we're vibe coding at the same time. So this pull is done. So let me check. Almost done publishing. I want to do it just like I told you. See if I can get more subs. My subs means per live is 3. Maybe with TikTok could be more. Well, Roberto, I would argue X right now. I would argue X and then I would just do your TikTok and point it to your setup and get people from TikTok to your stream. Alright, Sem. I'm going to check it in a few. Let me see if I got the... Ah, no, you did. You did. Here, chat. We did, but I showed this before, right, chat? I said he's token maxing to the... He's token burning. I said I'm token burning with no cares in the world, but I think he's burning a bit more than me, chat. Well, I'll keep the DMs off stream. I gotta approve the DM in a few, Sem. I'll approve it in a few, Sem. Once I'll follow up with you off stream, Sem, in a few, if it's in DM. Let's just see if this last piece is coming through. Then we'll start the timer and then we'll get the vibes going for spinny wheel, chat. Alright, reset, start. This is being published, so now we should be able to vote as a viewer and manage as an admin. Alright. I'm still not able to switch here as an admin. Okay. I just pulled it but don't see any major changes. Right now I'm logged in as admin, so I should be able to see all the 3 views based on what tab I select. And I should be able to see the voting wall for the viewers, but I don't see that. No, Roberto, I'm releasing it tomorrow. So we're giving out free Replit accounts. Well, Replit is giving out free Replit accounts. $20, chat, and please listen to what I say very clearly. Set it up in Replit, connect it to GitHub as your island, have your agent's Codex Claude work on it, push to GitHub, pull to Replit. That way you can make that $20 free account go a very long way, chat. You know the vibes. Let's spin the wheel in a few moments. Let me get the timer going. We'll spin it on 25, chat. 25 minutes we'll spin it. So start dropping chat W messages if you haven't yet. That makes sure that you get put into the stream. I want to get this one going still. And let me check the submissions. All good. All good. Sem, since you're a Dollar Vibe Club member now, do me a huge favor, and usually I don't repeat it too much, but go to the classrooms. So here you have classrooms. And for now, the only classroom that's really got value is Fiverr. because I've been dominating Fiverr the last 3 years and I'm very passionate about it. And you're in a great region. Like Amsterdam, you'll get so many Dutch clients. Come to this download section. Start your Fiverr, how to set up your profile, and how to get your first sales. If you follow that to the nail, you've got a video to watch it at my streams. I promise you, if you understand that and you follow that and you set up your account in that sense, you're gonna hit gold on Fiverr. I can prove it to you. I myself, I'm a top seller. My nephew just started when he turned 18. He's already 30 orders in, level 2. He's 18 years old, chat. He's making more money than his teachers, you know what I mean? Spinny wheel thingy, 20 minutes. 20 minutes, we're gonna spin it. Now maybe Sam, I want to give you a piece of advice which I usually gave at the start of my streams, and let me put my face cam on. The golden rule with Fiverr, Sam, the golden rule with Fiverr is it's like YouTube, it's algorithmic. So those platforms, there's nobody checking your account. So the moment you follow the algorithm and you make sure your account is perfectly fine, the second part is how good of an entrepreneur are you? Because communication is more important than vibe coding skills. Vibe coding skills are the third part. So if you've got those 3 things in lock, Sam, I promise you with Fiverr you can make up to 5k, up to 15 to 25k a month. Let me post the Discord. This is our Discord, and then I'll send you my username on Discord. I don't know what that is, chat. I'm a noob, chat. Alright, I copied my name, I think. Pronouns, all in. My pronouns are all in, chat. How do I copy my username? This is my username, Mark. That's my username. Oh, Fiverr's been amazing, Mark. I've been dominating it for the last 3 years, and just a month ago, Mark, I became top rated seller on Fiverr. So that means the top 1% of 400,000 sellers on Fiverr. And it took me 3 years to get there, but it's been life changing. It's been really life changing. And the blueprint is there, chat. If I can do it, and Hunter's been following the exact blueprint, and if you're regionally blessed, all right, Mark, so we're on the same vibe, man. You're on the same vibe, man. I gotta tap in with you. I didn't even know you were top rated, Mark. I didn't know that. Man, that's great, because it's very hard to find top rated sellers, Mark. So, like-minded people, we must be on the same wave, Mark. Mark, I would love to have you on Freelance Friday, maybe, man. I would love to have you on Freelance Friday. I'm gonna tap in after on Discord with you, man. We had Matab on Freelance Friday last time. He's an Upwork seller doing 20k a month on Upwork. Nice, Mark. Chat, you see, man. The more we stream, the more we find my like-minded people, chat. And for me especially, because in the real world, people think I'm crazy. In the real world, people don't know what Fiverr is. Like, they don't know what I'm doing all day on my computer. So shout out to you, Mark. And we're trying to get Hunter top rated by the end of the year, Mark. I just want to quit my full-time job ASAP so I can fully lock in. Well, Sem, stick around for 30 days, Sem. I promise you we can get you going on Fiverr. Why do I say that? I know that you have the culture of a Netherlands region. I know that you know what you're doing because I can see it on your screens. So, Sem, it's possible in 30 days. We actually changed someone's life in 60 days in India. And I'm not saying we did it, he did it himself, but we showed him the way, chat. Yeah, bro, I'm totally on the same wave. I love it, Mark. It's very rare that I meet someone on that wave, man. Thanks for chatting and thanks for reaching out, man. Glad I found your live. I'm going live soon too. Nice, Mark. I'm gonna tap in because I'm going live in 20 minutes. So, chat, I'll drop Mark's stream. I'm gonna end in 20 minutes. Go give some love to Mark, man. It's all about helping each other, chat. The moment you think that there is not enough money and you want to keep everything for yourself, chat, that's the moment you lose. In life, you have to keep giving, chat, and the universe returns so much in return, chat. I've done it my entire life. Give, chat, and expect nothing in return, and that's the best outcome usually, chat. Go sub up, go support him, support the streams. And Mark, I'm a tapping with you on Discord after the streams. You know the vibes, man. Roberto, I'm telling you, I have to sit down with you one day. We have to do it. Probably let's tap in this weekend and let's see if we can get. In my advice, Roberto, go live on X tonight, dual stream, man. I promise you, it's gonna give you more reach, because you gotta think about your audience, the Latin American people. Exactly, Roberto. I feel that you're on the same wave like me. I've seen what you've built. I've seen what you're building on stream. I see you putting in the grind. So let's create a board of directors, chat. 10 minutes, chat, and we're gonna do the spinny wheel thingy, chat. Don't forget, you gotta be in the stream. You gotta be in the stream watching to claim your prize. Don't forget, you gotta be signed up to Dollar Vibe Club and send me a message on Instagram. Follow me there so that I can confirm your submission. Whoever's watching on X, we've got 27 viewers. Come to YouTube, drop a W in the chat, and you might win a subscription today. And Saturday, chat, I'm giving out $100 plans. Fuck it. We blessed, you blessed, chat. We blessed, you blessed. After my history app is finished, I'm going to start with anti-chat control social media platform. Anti-chat control. Well, we would have to. I don't know what that means, Sem, but I would love to learn about it. Let's tap in, man. Sem, are you thinking about streaming as well? CX, what's poppin', man? CX, welcome to the stream, man. All right, Roberto, I'll make within now and a week. I'll make 30 minutes. You and me, we're gonna jump on a call, Roberto. I see that you've put in the work, so I'll put in the work as well. I see that you've been on your streams daily. So I want to put in the work with people that want to put in the work. You know what I mean? What's up, Azeze? You in, baby? Welcome to the stream, man. You be vibe coding or what vibe you want, Azeze? Alright, Sem, let's get you there, man. It can be done. It literally can be done in 60 to 90 days, Sem. And if you don't believe me, ask Mark Santos. He's also a Fiverr seller. I just discovered that today. 12 minutes, chat, and we spin in the wheel. 12 minutes and we spin in this wheel. You know what to do. Just send a message in the chat. Tap in, Sem. I'm going to send you a message after. I'll reach out to Mark after. And let's get this hackathon going for the coming days. 10 minutes, chat. Drop some W's. Be right back. I'm gonna juice up my last Red Bull before I spin that wheel, chat. Red Bull, don't forget Red Bull. Let me go full screen, man, so you guys I can get the screenshot. I'll be sending them a screenshot daily, chat. Red Bull, when's that brand deal coming in, man? All right, chat. Let me get the screenshot. One moment. Let me get the screenshot going. Go to the live stream. Yo, for real, at Red Bull. We are following Red Bull, right? That would be lame if we're not following those fuckers. Yeah. Alright. Red Bull better tap in, man. Nah, I know, let me know, but I grew up on that shit, man. But I gotta go black coffee soon as well, chat, don't worry. Let me pull this while we're waiting for the stream to load. So we got spinny wheel, chat, in exactly 8 minutes, chat. Everybody get hyped, man. Drop some fire emojis. Warm up the chat for me. Come on, man. It's a give and take society, chat. Alright, let me pull it. Come on, let me publish it. 7.5 minutes, chat, and I'm gonna close off for today unless Opus 5 drops. Then my ass will be streaming, chat. But I'm gonna tap in with the other homies after, homie Nick. I'm gonna tap in on Mark's stream. Republishing Dollar Vibe Club now, so hopefully we get those field cards here. Alright, 7 minutes, chat. 7 minutes, and we're gonna finna hit that spinner wheel, chingy. Don't forget, chat, you gotta be active, you gotta be in Dollar Vibe Club, and you gotta be following me on Instagram, chat. It's pretty straightforward to win, chat. Every day, Claude plan. And chat, bear with me if Claude doesn't allow me because I reached my limit in gifts. You get the gift tomorrow. But we should be good. 4-hour bottle, right on the mark. Welcome to the stream. Your name's just been added to the vibe, to the spinny wheel thingy. There we go. Moist, I like that name, Moist. 4-hour bottle. Let's fucking go. Every 4 hours we drink our bottle, chat. And let me actually grab a sip of that. Alright, DJ, we gotta wait, man. We got 5 more minutes, DJ. I need to see some fire emojis before I finish spin, man. I need those. I'm feeling AC's got me cooled down, chat. Let me check while that's publishing. Let me check the memberships. Approval's all good. Azeze, I just approved you to Dollar Vibe Club. You can now join the hackathon if you want. There we go. Led knows what's up. Led might get rewarded today. If it's said, I said it here in chat. He dropped the first heat. He might. Who knows, man? You never know, chat. Like, universe works in mysterious ways, man. It's all about manifesting that shit, chat, on the daily. We gonna spin in 4 minutes, chat. We gotta keep 4.5 minutes, chat. Spinny wheel thingy. Let me get the vibes ready. Everybody lobby up for the spinny wheel thingy. Come on, it's game time, chat. Be sure you got a Dollar Vibe Club and follow me on Instagram, or you will get a respin. Rules are rules, chat. I think you're on it. What's your name, Amine? I think you're on it, Amine. You were here early. Amine, here we go. Don't forget, chat, like the stream, share it with people, sub up, follow on Instagram so you can claim your prize. We got exactly about 4.5 minutes now, officially. PR is hype. He wants casino games going. Every night we do a little giveaway casino, chat. Ain't gonna lie, it's been fun. It's kind of been like a session that we do to close up the stream. We're almost there, chat. It's almost spinny wheel time. Not seeing enough fire emojis though. Oh, that was the wrong fire emoji. That was the wrong sound effect, chat. This was what I wanted.
Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata.
Smoking the Zaza. Alright, let's warming it up for the whole chat here. Now at this point I do hope that the universe catches on with lead, man. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, we're gonna spin it on number 18. I'll spin it on 18 minutes, chat. Well, Zaza out here is a very different thing, let me know. You know the vibes. We'll spin it on 18, chat. On 18 minutes, I'll spin it. I'll give the people on X the chance as well. Come to the stream on the Dollar Vibe Club on YouTube. Drop a W, say in, and we're spinning it. 1 minute, chat. 1 minute. 1 minute, chat. Absolutely, Sam. I spoke with my friend today and I said him the exact same thing. Mac over Windows. Hunter also, he just switched to Mac. He's been loving it and he's been grinding it. So Mac is ease of use, chat. Mac is ease of use. Chat, before the spinny wheel starts, you know the vibes. If you don't need the gift card, you can say respin. And when you say respin, it goes on to the next person that might need it. Alright, chat, if we're blessed, stay blessed. The universe works in mysterious ways. I feel you. Nah, man, tap in, Sam, on MacBook. Let's get you up on Fiverr. 60 days and let's get you a MacBook M5, man. You know the vibes. Alright, chat, let's get it, man. 18 minutes. We're gonna spin the wheel, we're gonna gift the prize, and then we're gonna call it a day. Let me just check one thing. No, that's not fixed yet. Okay, no problem. Okay, spinny wheel time, chat. Who's ready? Is everybody ready? I'm delaying, chat. I'm delaying for no reason. Who's ready, chat? I'm gonna spin it. I love delaying, chat. Alright, let's fucking go, chat. 3, 2, 1. Go time. And the winner is, chat, the vibe coder of the day. $20 Claude plan. CX Nation. Let's fucking go, CX. I know you've been in the stream weeks now, so let's fucking go, CX. CX, now comes the important question. Do you need it? Or do you want to respin? Do you need it or do you want to respin? You choose, CX. Nah, he's here. I know CX is here. CX, you tell me. Do you... Alright, let's go. Let me confirm your Dollar Vibe account. Let me go to Dollar Vibe Club. One moment, chat. We'll see. If he's got no account, he doesn't get it. I just approved 2 other accounts. Let me see if I can find it. CX, send me a message on Instagram with your... Yes, he's a Dollar Vibe Club member, chat. Let's fucking go. CX, send me an Instagram message so I can check it. And then I'm gonna send the gift right now on stream, chat. And we'll see if Claude allows me or Claude gonna be on my nuts. Alright, 1 month. Next. Send an email. My name, the CX Nation. The email I'll do off stream. My name is Tommy Yip XYZ. Congratulations, CX. I see you. Thank you for hanging around the streams for a couple of weeks now. Always being in the background, dropping a message from time to time. Thanks for the support and put the Claude plan to use. Alright, chat. I'm going to put it in a green color. Now I'll put it in this green. Let me check my Instagram, chat. Let me check the Instagram. Mark, thank you, man. I appreciate that, Mark, coming from you. I appreciate it, man. You've been at this game longer than me, so I appreciate it, man. Let me go to the Instagram chat. Let me just check his email. He sent me a message. Damn, chat, I feel like Unk right now. Alright, he sent the email. Let me confirm it on Dollar Vibe Club. Amazing, that's exactly the same. Let me accept the message. That's good. Alright, let me go to Dollar Vibe Club and copy your email. Let me send it now. 3, 2, 1, and we'll see. If Claude limits me, CX, it will be for tomorrow, but we should be good. So we got CX Nation. That's the right email. Let me double check. 6. You know the vibes. I'm just gonna do this, CX. They don't know what I mean, but you know what I mean. CX Nation, Tommy XYZ. Alright, check out. Let me pay. Please accept it. Please accept it. Please accept it. We've been giving so many gift cards out, chat, that Claude is limiting me. Alright, you're in chat. You're on the board now. Congratulations. And you're our 7th winner on the leaderboard. Let me confirm. Ah, shit. I need my phone, chat. Shit. One moment, chat. My iPhone is dead. And I need to confirm the payment. Give me 1 moment, chat. I'm struggling. 1 moment, 1 moment. Shit, I played myself, chat. Dumbass. I'm such a dumbass, chat. Give me a moment, give me a moment. Let me check the chat. Give me a moment, give me a moment. Alright, I got it right here. Let's go. Log in with biometrics. Oh, thank God I got 2 phones, chat. What is life without 2 phones, you know what I mean? Alright, sending now, approving the payment. One moment, chat. I'm on that Android. The Android be a bit slower, chat. Them blue bubbles type vibe. Review the payment for Anthropic. Approve the payment. Approve with my fingerprint. Payment approved. Let me take a screenshot and post it on the X. Boom. The gift is on the way. CX, can you let us know in the chat if you received it? I'm making the screenshot as we speak. Let me hide your email so I don't leak your private details type vibe. CX, am I allowed to ask what country you're from and how old you are, CX? And what you're going to use the Claude plan for? Alright, let me post this. Here we go. Another day, another gift. Thanks to all the viewers for tapping in. Congrats at CX. Nah, he ain't got Twitter. Post. Ah, let me tag Claude in it. Those motherfuckers need to get that tag. Alright. I just got it. Thank you, thank you. Let's clap it up for CX. W's in the chat. I want to give a special shout out to all the mods today. Alvin, PR, Hunter, thanks for managing and helping me out. Shout out to Focus. Shout out to Sem from Amsterdam. Welcome to the stream. It's your first day here, but I'm sure if we're tapped in together for the next 30, we'll all be making money, chat. Shout out to Mark for popping into the stream. I'll be tapping into Mark's stream in a few, chat. So go there. His channel is in the chat. And yeah, other than that, Hisham, Amine, Led, you guys know who you are, man. You guys keep coming back. 4-hour bottle. You know the vibes, man. Thank you, everybody. Chat, before I close off, let me give the final word that I always give. You know the fucking vibes, man. We ain't gonna change nothing on this channel. Chat, peace on the streets. No fucking fighting. And keep vibe coding.